La boo boo. La boo la boo la boo boo. Okay, just kidding. I just went to Barnes & Noble and Miniso. I'm just gonna do a little haul of what I got. For context, I love little trinkets and I especially love Miffy. First thing, Miniso. I realized at my mall, they moved the Miniso location. So I was like convinced I knew where the Miniso was. Then I'm like walking, I'm like, wait, why is the Miniso over here? And I was like, oh my god, they moved locations. So they have this whole big new store, or like area of the mall, but it had nothing I wanted. They only had one Miffy section. Let's hope I don't cough the whole time. And they had like a cosmetic section, but it was really disappointing. But I got these eyebrow scissors because, whoo, these eyebrows need to be, they need to be put in place. And then at Miniso, this is the one Miffy thing I got that they had. Was this little Miffy plush in her blue top. Okay, now Barnes & Noble, guys, if y'all don't know, I love my Barnes & Noble because they have all the trinkets. I didn't even realize that they had all the trinkets. They have all the trinkets. Okay, first thing, I got two Miffy keychains, one with this blue flower shirt and one with this yellow flower shirt. Absolutely gorgeous. Then this Miffy in the Snow blind box, and these are all the ones you can get. I like all of them. I think they're all super cute, so I really don't care which one I get. Then these Miffy Goes Pastel blind boxes. These ones are just like all pastel Miffys. These ones are really cute. I like them. Then, off from the Miff, they had this Rilakkuma little keychains. So I think, yeah, there's 4 keychains you could get. I think they're all so cutie, and I'm so excited to see which one I get. Then, I was so gagged when I saw this at my Barnes & Noble. They had hippers. I don't have any hippers. So this one is the like Mofusand, the little cat. Oh my god, the glare is so bad. I'm so sorry. And then I saw this and I nearly died. They had a Monchichi. I have been wanting something Monchichi for so long. These are all little Monchichi hippers you could get. I don't know. Oh, I didn't show you which ones of these you can get. These ones are also so cutie. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of any blind boxes I have. Well, first, I'll open up this Miffy just to like feel her. Oh, that sounded odd. I didn't like that. I really want like a big Miffy plush, but like a big one that I can like sleep with. Look at her. Oh, she's so soft. How beautiful. I'm gonna like clean her because why the hell is there a bunch of stuff on her? I don't know. But this is her. Ripped her out of the plastic. She's acting brand new. Okay. Okay. First thing we'll do least stakes to high stakes. Okay, we'll first do the Rilakkuma one because I don't care which one I get and I'm really excited. If I had to say which one I wanted the most, maybe like either the chicken or like this one with the little red thing on it. I don't know what that is, but okay. What'd I get? I think this is just regular old Rilakkuma. Oh my god, how cute. So cute. It's going on my school bag. Oh my Lanta. Okay. Happy. Okay, then I will do Miffy Goes Pastel. Okay. Oh. Who'd I get? Oh, I got blue! I think I wanted blue. I did want blue. I either wanted blue, purple, or green. Yay! Okay. Happy, happy, happy. Okay. Then we have Miffy in the snow. If I wanted any of them, I really like her with a Christmas tree, or also Snowman Boris. I don't know what I'm flocking means. Maybe that means that I'm flocked. Maybe that means Boris is like special. He's a special. I don't know. Do they do specials for these? But I like all of them, so I really don't care which one I get. Okay. Oh, where's the edge? Here we go. What'd I get? Oh my god! I got her the Christmas tree! That's literally what I said I wanted. Oh my Lanta. Look! How fucking cute. I didn't cuss. How cute. Oh my god! I'm like getting really lucky right now. Something bad is about to happen. Okay. Then we have the Hippers. I'm gonna do this one first because I've wanted a Munchie Chew for so long. So like, oh, can I even get this open right now? Ooh, where are my keys? Ooh, where are my keys so I can get this open? Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay, do people just like rip them open? Okay. Oh, wait, I didn't say which one I wanted. If I had to have any of them, I think I would want the Orca. Orca or Squid, I like a lot. Or Sasha. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of them, but I think Orca, the Orca and the Squid, these two right here. I like those ones a lot. Okay. Where's the edge? Is there no edge on these ones? Oh, no, it's right here. Oh, okay. Oh, the edge is over here. I had to open my eyes to find it. I don't know if I'm holding it right. Okay. Oh! Oh, it's the Flapjack Octopus! How cute! Oh, my Lanta. How cute. Okay. Last but not least. Oh, I'm so nervous for this because I've been wanting a Munchie Chew for and this was also the last one at Barnes & Noble. Oh, which ones do I want? Okay. I don't want to say which ones I don't want because you never want to speak bad juju. Loud. I would honestly go for like, I love Munchie Girl though. I do love her, or the boy. I love just like the regular ones, but I'll be happy with anything because again, I've been wanting a Munchie Chew for so long. Okay. Okay. Back edge. Oh, are you? Oh, I gotta open my eyes again. Oh, found it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Ah! It's a baby boy! Oh my god. How cute. Okay, I'm happy with everything I got. Eek! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't want to say this out loud, but I did not want the, these two. The pink or the yellow. I did not want those at all. But I don't want to say that because, you know, when you say that you don't want, you get it. So, okay guys, that's the end of my, I'll unbox this, yo, if y'all want me to. Ooh, Michaela was about to just go at it. Okay, I don't know how to use these. I'm realizing, wait, I really don't. I need to, like, have my eyebrows, like, did and done and stuff. It's whatever. Okay, but that is all of my haul, guys. Thank you for coming and watching. Oh, that was so exhilarating. I haven't opened up a blind box in, like, a hot minute. That's a lie. I opened up a blind box this last semester. It was Hirono. Okay. Blind boxes that I really want. I want the Hirono plushes that just came out. The, like, journal ones. Open journey. Something with a J. I want that. Bad. And there's specific ones that I want, but I can't say that because, again, if you say it, you won't get the ones that you want. But just know. Maybe I should do these more. I don't know, guys. But yeah. This is great. I hope this angle was great. I hope you loved hearing my voice. And yeah, thank you. Toodaloo. Oh, toodaloo. Oh, oh God. Toodaloo. My Jesus. Oh, okay, I'm done. Bye, guys. Bye. Oh my God, my acne. Okay, I'm done. Goodbye.